Alright, customer T50 rebuild with the TRD gear set. I wanted to show you guys a insider trick we learned from a ex-Toyota tech. So why don't we come in and zoom closer. Apparently back in the day when the 886 was still relatively a new-ish car, customers had a problem of a third gear pop out in unmodified cars. So we learned recently from an ex-Toyota tech the fix they use for that problem. So relatively simple. This is just a regular M4 steel washer, and what we're going to do, we're going to use this as a shim for one of the shift detent springs. And I have this marked as the 3rd, 4th detent spring. So this washer, installing it on top of this spring will add a little more spring force and mitigate that 3rd gear pop out. I've personally experienced this on track with a short shifter, rebuilt trans, but when you put a short shifter on it, I think because the throw is so short and because of the G forces and it's always on decel, 3rd will pop out. Fresh rebuilt trans, but we're going to mitigate this by installing this anyway. We're using a 0.5 millimeter thickness washer. The secret is between 0.5 and 0.7. From that Toyota tech, he was telling us that 1 mil is too thick. It'll actually make it harder to shift into 3rd gear. So one more time, 0.5 to 0.7. So show you that install right now. So I got my washer. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of grease to hold that washer in place. Yeah, and then it's that simple. And then if we go over to our right, you can see I got my gasket and then the cover for the shift detent springs, and I'll just put these two on and we're done.